It's a Coleman 10-person instant tent. It's easy to set up and easy to tear down. It handles the wind and rain very well. And I can stand up inside of it. This is our tent video. Don't let the title fool you. 10-person tent? That's only if everyone's sleeping on the ground in a sleeping bag. You add air mattresses, it goes down to about 8 people, and when you add in cots, it goes to even less. We've had this tent since 2014. As you can see in these photographs, that our girls look very young. Got it on a deal, a closeout deal at Target actually. Brought it home, set it up, and guess what? After that, it went in the attic and sat there for years because we just weren't all that into camping at the time. We quite honestly were tired of going camping when it was hot, and nobody wanted to go camping with us when it was cold. I think it was finally about 2017 that this tent started getting used. As we've gotten into camping, we've learned that putting a tarp underneath the tent is great for making your tent last longer. It's like it provides like a barrier between what's on the ground and the actual bottom of the tent. Because once the bottom of the tent wears out and gets trashed, it's kind of done. I figured I'd leave this longer clip here of just me setting up the tent so y'all can get a good idea of what it's like to set these instant up tents. It's really pretty quick. At one point here, Kira even comes over and asks if she can help, and really just the standing up part is easy. The bending over and staking it down is what probably takes more time than anything.
I'm gonna go see if Daddy needs help. Hey Daddy, do you need some help?
Pretty soon I will. Right now I can usually do this part myself.
Okay. Akira, come on.
Can you like see me like showing me?
Mm-hmm.
So 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if we need that second shade. It's nice out here.
Yeah, it is nice.
I like to take it along, but if I don't have to build it and take it down,
Yeah.
I'd rather not. I think we'll see how tomorrow goes when the sun's directly over us. If we need it.
Okay.
Now, when we bought this tent, it actually did not come with a Rainfly, which I'm finding now is kind of unusual, as it looks like they come with it all the time. That's why the color's a little bit different, because I went back more recently and bought that Rainfly on Amazon. Thankfully, they've stuck with a 10x14 frame, and so it was easy to get one that matched with it. It's just some nice looks from the inside, so you can see what the inside looks like. And a little life on the inside.
Checking if we're awake. I'm a silly baby. I'm a silly baby.
We've tried a few different layouts for putting the cots inside. Just, it's fun to try different things. You can see how we've altered it a bit. This here was just one of the alternate floor plans we tried once. I didn't like it as much. I liked having the open space through the middle. This is a 10x14 tent, so it's 10 feet wide. We put 2 queen air mattresses in the back, I think our first time, and had like a foot gap through the middle. So it worked pretty well. Where my scissors at? It's cutting time. There it goes.
There's still more. That looks like a lot of
That, Mama?
Yep.
Taking down the tent is the exact opposite of setting up the tent. Were you surprised? I'm trying to see your face. Are you surprised? Please tell me you're surprised. Happy camping, y'all.